Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Bybit account in a very simple way. Firstly, let's go over to your Apple Store or your Play Store. So what you have to do is for you to go over to the search area. By your right at the upside you're going to see search. So let me type in Bybit and you can see it over here. So let me go over to it and you're going to see updates. So what you have to do is just for you to just tap on the update and to start updating. It will take long for the app to be updated, or else you're having a network issue. You updating your Bybit bring new features, the new latest features to your Bybit account. So it will, okay, you can see it is loading and it's almost done. And when it's done updating, you're going to see open. So what you have to do just for you to tap on the open and it will take you to your Bybit, and here means that your Bybit account have been updated. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye.